Hi. Welcome to today's class. So today we want to learn different sounds of letter G. So now this letter G has two sounds. The first sound is letter G sounds J, and the second one is letter G sounds G. Let's go again. Letter G sounds J and letter G sounds G. So here we are going to be learning word today, and the word we will be learning today is the word that sounds G. So letter G sounds G. That is the one we'll be learning for today. So what are those words that sounds G? Is G a voice sound or a voiceless sound? I'll be in the comment section. So let's take the words that sounds G. We have girl, go, great, good, glue, growth, glow, gather, gambit, gum, goose, gander, gather, green, grip, goose, game,